hose connected.
All right, initiating sequence 1.
We're seeing a slight drop in the homogenization rate here.
Adjusting the flow parameters now, looks like we are back to optimal.
The automated wrapping machines are running at 98% efficiency.
Excellent. Keep a close eye on the temperature sensors in Sector 4.
Results are confirmed on screen, everything within parameters for the A2 milk.
Excellent. Proceed with the next rack.
The analyzer reports the butterfat content at 4.2%.
Consistent with the last batch. We're clear for processing.
Proved milk moves rapidly into these high-speed centrifugal separators, extracting the pure cream for butter production.
Industrial separators spin continuously inside modern factory file's biggest butter factory, isolating high-fat cream from milk.
Plate heat exchangers pasteurize cream inside modern factory file's biggest butter factory to ensure food safety.
The automated valves precisely guide the cream toward the maturation tanks.
Cream slowly ages in agitation tanks inside modern factory files' biggest butter factory to develop proper texture. Matured cream is pumped directly into the continuous churners, beginning the high-volume process that transforms it into fresh butter.
Massive rotary churners operate non-stop inside modern factory files' biggest butter factory, beginning butter formation. As the churning continues, the delicate butterfat granules emerge, signaling the separation from the buttermilk in this colossal machine. Inside the massive churner, the pale yellow granules are sprayed with crystal clear chilled water to remove the excess buttermilk.
This automated system ensures every slab of butter receives a precise and even coating of fine sea salt. Automated salt dosing equipment evenly seasons butter inside this massive modern factory.
modern factory files, we see how continuous slabs of butter are precisely cut and wrapped by state-of-the-art machinery.
Bundling machines group butter packs into multi-pack sets at Modern Factory Files' biggest butter factory.
Automatic taping machines securely seal cartons at Modern Factory Files' biggest butter factory. -5 degrees Celsius. Systems are optimal. Inside the factory, sophisticated texture analyzers are used to measure the firmness of the butter, a critical step in quality control.
Texture analyzers measure butter firmness inside modern factory file's biggest butter factory.
Response relay.
Analysis complete, Supervisor. Fat content is compliant.
Excellent. Log it and move to line 3.
Fat content analyzers verify butter meets regulatory standards inside modern factory file's biggest butter factory.
The churn rate on line 3 is still lagging.
Yes, but the overall yield is up by 5% this quarter.
Why did the churn rate drop sharply here at 1400 hours?
We had a brief power fluctuation on line 3, but it's stabilized now.
Inside the churners, the automated clean-in-place system blasts thick foam to sanitize every surface.
Clear the empty pallet.
I got the yellows loaded up.
Bearing temperature is running high.
Let's cross-reference the specs on the tablet. We may have a lubrication issue.
The temperature on bearing 4 is slightly elevated.
I see that. The vibration levels are still within tolerance, though.
Air filtration units maintain hygienic conditions inside modern factory file's biggest butter factory.
The data suggests we ramp up churning on line 3. Agreed. Let's divert the afternoon crew to increase output before the next shift.
Section, we need to reroute the premium batch to line 4 immediately.
But line 4 is still running the salted.
Yeah. I've already adjusted the schedule on the...
Cuidado con la izquierda. Ahí está bien, bájalo.
Watch the left side, bring it back slowly. All right, it's set. Straps are tight. Looks good. Let's grab the next one.
Make sure those straps are tight. They're secure. They're secure. Ready for the next one.
The manifest says 20 pallets for the client.
Check the updated order on the screen. It was changed yesterday.
Ah, got it. Stamping this now.
All quantities confirmed. This one is good to go.
Verified. Make sure it gets on the next truck out.
Here is the manifest.
Thank you. Everything seems correct. You may proceed.
Everything is running smoothly on line 3.
Confirmed. Confirmed. The new settings are working perfectly.
We've got a pressure drop in the homogenization sequence.
I see it. Adjusting the flow rate remotely now.
Generator Array 4 status check complete. All systems are green and primed for operation.
Checklist complete for section Gamma. Ensure all hoses are secured before the next cycle begins.
All right, team. Scrubbers on the east wing first. Let's move.
Inside the largest butter factory, the warehouse remains perpetually fully stocked, a testament to modern efficiency.
The traffic on Route 7 is cleared now, and we should push those shipments through.
Recalculating. Looks like we're saving 10% on fuel costs for the day.
Ensure the Hokkaido routes are fully optimized for the new butter shipment. We can't afford delays.
Acknowledged. Acknowledged. Recalculating now. The modern...
Welcome to Modern Factory Files. As the next shift begins, the machinery is calibrated to produce high-quality golden butter for the masses.
The final readings are excellent.
Confirmed. The sterilization cycle checked out perfectly.
Another successful inspection. Well done, team.
Right. We need to verify the calibration on the automated sorting line before sign-off.
I agree.
The data here looks slightly off.
Modern Factory Files presents the biggest butter factory, completing the full production journey from intake to global distribution.